I'm happy to be with my friend Dr. Gregory Chernoff today from Chernoff and Associates. And Doctor, you've started this new concept called Your Natural Best, and I love that. Can you tell us about it, please?
Your natural best really highlights what all of us want to look. We want to look our best without looking done. All of us have features that we'd like to improve upon if we could that have a negative impact on our self-esteem. And as we'll show in these before and after photographs, from a surgical component, that involves dealing with the gravitational descent that all of us see with our facial muscles descending. We see our brows fall, our mid-facial muscles fall, we start to see jowling, banding. Second of all, we start to see volume loss. We start to see the deflation as we lose fat in our faces, particularly in our mid-face and around our mouths. And then lastly, we start to see loss of elasticity throughout our skin. So as we look at your before and after, you're a tremendous example of how you just had the natural effects of gravitational changes. We bring back the youthful bulk to your mid-face by doing a face neck lift, by taking care of your eyes. In our second patient that we look at, you can see that before her surgery, she looked very tired. Subsequent to her surgery, she looks vibrant. And so again, we help her look her natural best by, first of all, taking care of the gravitational factors that are causing the descent in her tissues. My practice 20 years ago was 90% women, 10% men. It's 50-50 now. I'm seeing as many men
that's interesting.
as I am women now.
Well, even men want to be their natural best. And, you know, I just have to say the doctor has helped me so much be my natural best. My friend, Dr. Chernoff of Chernoff and Associates. And today, doctor, we're going to talk about your natural best, but in this case, your body's natural best.
Barry, in your last show, we talked about facial your natural best. All of us have features that we'd like to improve upon if we could that have a negative impact on our self-esteem from head to toe. And from a body standpoint, most men and women, and we see as many men as women now, want to improve their abdomen, hips, thighs. And so in this first photograph, which is your before and after, you can see what a tremendous improvement we've created from body liposculpting. Next, we can see in the female, from an abdominal standpoint, what a tremendous improvement we've created through doing liposuction of the abdomen, hips, thighs. We can cause a circumferential reduction in arms. And the last set of photographs that we're showing shows a beautiful new non-surgical form of therapy for volume reduction called Futura, which can non-surgically reduce fat through exercise and through exercising muscles and a combination of ultrasound. So
that is really interesting. But what I like so much about this new concept of yours is being your natural best, and you can be your natural best with certainly the help of you personally and your wonderful staff. I've made great friends at your location, and I know that everybody can. So please call Dr. Chernoff, call his office, and have a consultation about becoming your natural best as well.
Thank you, Barry.
Thank you, Doctor. My natural best with this new concept you have at Chernoff and Associates, and today we're going to talk about resurfacing pigmentation and skin. Right?
All of the in your last two segments, we talked about all the surgical components from a facial, your natural best, your body, your natural best. Today we're talking about all the things we do in the office without surgery to help a patient be their natural best. From a qualitative improvement in skin, we can improve the tone and quality of skin, we can blend unwanted pigment, unwanted blood vessels, rid a patient of unwanted tattoos, which are very popular now as well. Age spots on the hands give patients away all the time from an age standpoint.
Well, you
Stretch
helped me
marks.
with stretch marks. I could talk to you about that a long time.
Many patients have unwanted stretch marks, and now again we have in-office treatments for unwanted fat. So the treatments available for patients to reach their natural best in the office without surgery have increased really very dramatically.
And you've done several of those sorts of treatments with me. I've had resurfacing of my face and skin, and a lot of the dark spots that come from sun damage. So you've done that. You've helped take care of my hand issue a couple times.
I think something also important to mention is our Foundation for Victims of Violence. We donate our therapies to patients who are victims of domestic violence. We have a Center for Scar Therapy now, that we're able to deal with scars of all forms, be they traumatic scars, acne scars. So there are so many treatments that we can offer patients for these unwanted treatments.
That's great to know. And you know, all of us can become our natural best with the help of Chernoff and Associates. You can have a scar fixed, you can have a tattoo fixed, but overall become your natural best in any way you can with your help.